Deep in the digital jungle, a new creature has emerged. A powerful evolving form of artificial intelligence known as Llama. This fascinating specimen is not made of flesh and blood, but of algorithms and data. Llama is a large language model, a computer program designed to understand and generate human-like text. Imagine a creature that can translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. This is the promise of Llama, a glimpse into the future of artificial intelligence. Its arrival marks a significant step forward in our relationship with machines, blurring the lines between human and artificial intelligence. Llama learns by consuming vast amounts of digital information. Like a sponge soaking up water, it absorbs text from books, articles, code, and even social media conversations. This massive diet of data allows it to recognize patterns and relationships in language. Essentially, Llama is learning to speak our language. But Llama doesn't just parrot back what it reads. It can generate its own text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. It can even adapt its style and tone to match the task at hand. This ability to understand and generate human-like text makes Llama a powerful tool for communication and creation. Llama sets itself apart with its advanced capabilities. Its ability to process information and generate creative text is truly remarkable. One of its key strengths is its versatility. Need to translate a document? Llama can do it. Need to write a poem or a script? Llama is up to the task. The potential applications of this technology are vast and continue to grow. From streamlining customer service to assisting with research and even aiding in creative endeavors, Llama has the potential to revolutionize numerous fields. Its ability to learn and adapt makes it a powerful tool for tackling complex problems. Llama represents a significant development in artificial intelligence, with the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. Its ability to understand and generate human language is a testament to the progress made in the field of AI. While still in its early stages, Llama offers a glimpse into a future where communication with machines becomes as seamless as talking to another human being. Imagine a world where language barriers are non-existent, where information is readily available at our fingertips, and where creative blocks are a thing of the past. This is the future that Llama hints at. It is a future full of exciting possibilities. A future where artificial intelligence enhances our lives in countless ways.